Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Chillio or Chillio.app. So as you can see right here, we have it here on their website. So they have it on the App Store. I don't know if it is available on the Google Play Store. And as you can see, it is basically a streaming service, so you can stream movies and TV shows on this app. So as you can see, they have a lot of features like unified accounts, seamless viewing, free to use, smart experience, real-time updates, advanced search, personalized profiles, family sharing, and multi-device sync. So as you can see right here on Reddit, I found a post that basically says that Chill.io is a scam. So as you can see right here, warning, Chill.io.app or ads on Insta. I posted about this app in r/finch, and most of the comments are about it being a scam. Once you sign up, you can cancel, and it targets people who forget to cancel. So basically, if you forget to cancel it, they basically charge you over and over again, and without you noticing. So I fell for this. This person said that I fell for this, and it's not even an app. It was advertised as a life planner app, not for neurodivergent people. It's actually a daily mini online course with CBT exercises, no app, no planner, just lessons. And right here, it's basically a streaming service. So I don't know what this app actually is. So that's also a red flag. So please do not use this app, since it is not really clear on what type of app it is, and basically charges you without you noticing. And yeah, stay away from this app and don't use it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.